Hello. How are you? Good. I did the check-in online, or I think on the email. Like they send me like an email to check in.
What is the last name?
Sorry.
What is your last name?
Wiercinski. Where's it? Wiercinski?
Yeah, I got it. Are you booked at the smoking room single bed for a one night, right?
Which one?
Are you booked at the smoking room single bed for a one night?
No, my confirmation said king non-smoking.
No, I have a reservation for your smoking room single bed. The king smoking room, not a non-smoking.
King.
Smoking room. And you already paid the room rent?
Yeah, I prepaid.
Yeah. PK1. You select the room type is PK1.
Yeah, I paid $92.45.
Yeah, I know that. But you select the room type is PK1, so means is the smoking single bed, king size. And the third party also put it in your account request for the smoking. You book at the booking.com, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, they put at the request for the smoking also. Can you see the room type?
Yeah, the only thing I requested was that I was going to show up at 6 p.m. Because that's... Yeah, see, all I have is the confirmation number and the PIN.
Yeah. But can you look at the room type?
You booked one room with breakfast. Oh, view room details.
Yeah, king room.
One king bed, breakfast included.
Yeah.
It can be smoking, I don't care. I mean, I don't smoke, but...
Okay. But they have a small feel like the room have a feel like the smoking smell.
That's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, so do you need my ID or anything, or?
Yeah, I need your ID.
Yeah.
And I need your car for $100 security deposit. $100 is the deposit.
Here, do you want to use the same card?
No, is other card.
Huh?
Do you have other card? I accept it. There's the $100 the refundable deposit back to your same card 3 or 5 business days. Longest room is fine.
Yeah. I mean, I can, it's refundable, right?
Yeah, 3 or 5
How fast do you refund it?
3 or 5 business days back to your card.
Yeah.
What is your phone number, sir?
847-361-5163. Yeah, the booking.com people, they should mention that, you know. It seems like you and them don't communicate. You just exchange money.
No, we mention every website we take it to the $100.
I have, you know, I have a place down in Peru, in South America. I have a retreat center, you know, like a motel in the Amazon. I have Expedia, Booking.com, Travelocity, Kayak, all of them. You know how many times they visit my property? Never. You know, all they do is they want the money. And that's why, you know, like this stuff here, should be communicated before, you know, before the customer books. Because some of them do that, you know. They surprise you.
No, but we mention every website we took the $100 deposit. So
Yeah.
third party did not mention you, that's not our.
I know, but like you should tell them that, like, hey, like, because I'm a member with Holiday Inn Express, I can pay $20 more, no problem, and stay at the Holiday Inn instead of you guys, you know, because you know why? Holiday Inn Express, they don't charge me
Your MasterCard credit or debit?
a credit. You know, the Holiday Inn Express, they IHG Hotels Group, so they don't charge the fee, you know. It's just some feedback, you know. Next time, if I come to St. Louis, I'm gonna pay $20 more, stay at the Holiday Inn Express, because why do this and then you take the money, you give it back.
No, every different model have a different.
You know, yeah. You know, and then also I pick specifically non-smoking room. You guys give me smoking room.
No, but I
It's-
have reason for the smoking.
Yeah.
I see in my system, they said you.
Yeah. No. I'm gonna complain to booking because, you know, they.
Complain the booking dot. Because they sometimes the third party doing the mistake. That's the
Yeah.
problem. You can take it.
Thank you.
And if you want a non-smoking room, I will change it for you. You want a non-smoking room?
Yeah, I mean, if it's the same price,
Yeah, same price. I don't take it the more price.
please, yeah.
Okay, I will change for you.
Thank you.
But next time you make sure that you book at the non-smoking room, because my system said you book at the smoking.
Yeah, you guys aren't busy tonight, right? You're not full.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So sometimes that's the third party create the problem.
Thank you. If you can change it,
Yeah,
thank you very much.
Today is not busy day, so I will change it. Otherwise, I don't change it.
Thank you.
Because I do have a non-smoking room, so I will change it.
Okay. I appreciate it.
Yeah, you're welcome.